Kasi masyadong potent at malakas yung kanilang opensa doon. Second set is here. Thank you for watching our Friday doubleheader, April 25. Imagine, matatapos na April.
Ang bilis,
My
no?
goodness, oo. Pumikit lang tayo ng konti. Mayo na. Di ba? Ang bilis. Okay. We have a pause here. Ano nangyari? Teka na daw.
For the ladies' tags, Von Pimakulangan.
Okay. Palitan lang. So, si Pablo pa rin ang nandito para sa Arellano. That's a good serve by Von to start. Tulak mula kay Sik Magaling. Now that's Mangubat. Padillon. Oh, Domasig, the setter with a swing.
Oo, bumalasa naman. Sabi niya, hindi tayo makakuha ng magandang set eh. Hindi natin maka-counter ng bigay eh. Isa lang. Bigyan mo ako ng isa lang. Isang palo lang. Ako, 1 point para sa'yo. Okay na, nabalasa ko na.
And I actually expected Arellano to have Casey Adante as the main setter. Pero naalala ko na si Coach Obet kasi, paborito niya yung mga setter na pumapalo din. At yung may height, medyo matangkad.
Versatile.
Oo.
Oo.
That's why she went with Cathy Domasig as her primary setter. Kapalit ni Donna Paralejas. Marasigan is denied. And the Lady Chiefs are off to a great start here in the second set.
Nagising na. Nagising na itong mga players natin ng Arellano.
At ganyan na yan yung gusto talagang itong Arellano University. Establish their blocking. Kasi kapag nangyari yun, medyo mag-iisip na ng konti itong mga attackers ng San Sebastian. And their offense will flow a little better. Faye Mangubat right in the middle.
Balikan natin yung sinabi ni Coach kanina, no, bago matapos itong first set. Hindi gagana yung offense natin kung hinahanap natin ay puro labas. Bigyan nyo yung gitna, which they did twice.
Yeah, Domasig has been feeding her middles. Busog na busog yung mga middle blockers na dito sa ating first two sets. The fly-in from the middle drops too low. 4-0 start for Arellano. Kaya mabilis na time out. Itong Baste.
Sipahin kita eh. Kasi, mo-opensa ng maayos. Umihis ka. Pinapatama sa block. Wala naman kumo-coverage sa inyo.
Oo. Kanina kasi, nung first set natin, naka-establish naman yung blocks or yung blocking nitong Arellano. Pero alam nung spikers yung gagawin. Kung kailan ipapacheck out, kung saan didireksyonan yung bola. Dito sa simula ng set 2 natin, nagiging successful yung blockers kasi pinapadaan mismo sa kanila.
Tama, tama.
So, silipin natin kung iba diskarte dito. Down the line hit. Good response coming from Juna Gonzalez.
For the ladies' tags,
And isang malaking bagay para dito sa Arellano, dito sa second set, is nung una, umpisa ng first set, nag-struggle talaga sila dun sa receive nila. Hindi nila may angat yung bola, hindi sila makapag-set ng play ng maayos. Kaya nakaka-counter-attack ulit yung San Sebastian, which ngayon, kahit papano, naiaangat na ni Pablo.
That's Alec Pablo. Uncharacteristically struggled with the first ball. I say that kasi
off the
isa sa mga
block,
pinakamagaling dyan. Meantime, from the other side this time, it's still Juna Gonzalez for San Sebastian.
on deck to serve, Cristina.
Ayun, may delay ng konti dun sa double block established by Baste. So, 2 straight after the timeout. Oh, wow! Deadly serve unleashed by Marasigan.
And yan din naman yung mga pros, nung pumapalo ng malakas, hindi mo bibigyan ng reaction time yung mga re-receive para makapag-set up and mahabol yung bola dahil bumabagsak agad. Matulis.
Matulis. At saka ito, boom. Ayan, nakaabang na si Pablo. De Guzman, that one was deflected. Lazarte pops it up. Kat Santos puts it down. 7 points now for Santos.
And part ng struggle ng San Sebastian, nung umpisa nitong second set is nasa likod ng galing si Santos. And again, first error nila is yung medyo mababa yung pagkaset kay Santos kanina dahil sumubok sila for that backline. But now that she's in front na, dyan sila kukuha ulit ng puntos.
Yun nga lang. Mapuputol. Itong 4-0 run. 4-0 counter run ng San Sebastian because of that service error.
Serving out for the Arellano Lady Chiefs.
So, Moming Padillon will start for the Lady Chiefs. Nicely done by Moming. Hirap na hirap.
Na ibalik pa yon.
Oo. De Guzman. Tinakulangan going back to Kat. And that one sails out. So I think they'll challenge. Yeah.
Oo, konti na yan.
The challenge ba ni Coach Obed? Hindi. Tuloy lang.
Score is all
I thought they would challenge it. Sabi niya, hindi pa.
Masyado pang maaga.
Maaga pa.
Kailanganin natin yan. Oh. Kailanganin natin yan.
5-all. Ooh, KJ. So for the second straight time, service error mula dito sa San Sebastian.
Now serving for Arellano University.
And again, pag naipon kasi yung mga errors na yan, yan yung mga bumibigat pagdating sa dulo eh.
They had 6 errors in the first set. Di makulangan. Juna Gonzalez continues her streak here in the second set.
Again, yan yung mga first ball na pinag-uusapan natin kanina na napaka-importante. Pag naiangat mo yung first ball ng maganda at naibigay mo sa setter mo, magkakaroon siya ngayon ng chance na hanapin kung sino yung pinaka-possible na makapagbigay ng point.
Domasig over to Tudlasan. Sent back. De Guzman gives it up. Lazarte over to Di Maculangan. Here's Santos. Checked by the blockers. One more time for Kat on a more difficult set, but she knew what to do. Check out mula kay Kat. 10 puntos para kay Kat Santos. Wow.
Serving 6.
So 7-6 San Sebastian. Abante ulit.
Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Santos doon sa pangalawang palo niya. Yung una, tinry niyang hampasin na papasok papunta ng gitna, no? Pero nakuha nung blocker, inangat ulit nila. Itong pangalawang beses, pinitik niya naman palabas.
Ito, ulit na atake mula kay Kat. 11 points now for Kat Santos off that drop ball. 8-6 San Sebastian once again first to the technical timeout. On the other side, we have a report from Erin T.
Mga kapuso, you are watching NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Watching both sides of the court, one thing really stands out. The way both teams lift each other up. And as we have seen on the first set, both teams really offer support and encouragement regardless of the outcome. From quick pats on the back to offering words of encouragement after every play, their chemistry and mindset are really keeping them in sync on the court. But for Arellano, the good vibes start the night before the game. Ayon kay team captain Alona Kagikla, pinapanood daw nila ang mga feel-good movies at nagkakaraoke ng Sweet Caroline para maset ang positive mood bago ang laro the next day. Even if they were struggling to communicate in the first set, their mindset could help them regain control. Pero syempre, hindi rin magpapatalo ang baste sa good vibes. Ayon kay team captain Kat Santos, who is having a breakthrough performance right now, mahalaga sa kanila ang pag-celebrate sa bawat punto. Nakatutulong daw ito sa mapatantiling mataas ang energy at focus sa laro. Both teams are bringing the energy but only one will ride that wave to the finish. So let's see which team turns that energy into victory as I turn it over to you, Martin and Prince.
Thank you, Erin. So far, it's been San Sebastian, but great, great report right there on how the teams keep or sustain the energy
Tama,
all
tama.
throughout. Kasi importante yun, Prince. May mga moment kasi sa game na madadown yung team mo. Kapag dehado ka sa isang laban, kailangan mong humanap ng paraan para ibalik yung saya mo sa court
Oo,
at yung
tama.
sigla.
And dati isa talaga yan sa mga question ko pag nanonood ako ng volleyball, bakit sa tuwing makaka-point sila, kailangan mag-huddle sila, kailangan, alam mo yung parang masaya sila na nagtatawanan sila, very up yung energy nila. Dati hindi ko yung naiintindihan, pero nung na-realize ko na it's to bring the energy up, and even if yung kalaban mo yung nakascore, mag-huddle pa rin kayo, okay lang yan, isa, bawi tayo. It's to pull to pull each other up para mabawi kung ano man yung mistake. And kung nakascore man, ma-celebrate yung score and next play tayo with a higher energy.
Kasi as we see, Samantha, tira-tira, score on the tip. Immediately, nakikita mo yung effects niya
Tama.
sa court. Mas maganda yung flow, mas mabilis yung galawan ng mga players. Alright, Tomasig. Cross court. Oh, there's a check on that Moming Padillon attempt. So, 9-10 retaliation para dito sa Arellano University kasi kanina 5-1 run ang pinakawalan ng San Sebastian. Here is Gonzalez. Doesn't work. Todlasan. Dive by Santos. Eto na si Marasigan. That one was deflected. Domasig. Met by Ramos. Underhand. Skip for Marasigan. Buhay pa ang rally. Domasig with a dump. Doesn't work. One more time for Tina. Mahaba yung atake niya.
Medyo nanggigil. Nainip. Medyo mahabang rally, nainip.
So earlier, first set natin, yung mahabang rally napupunta sa San Sebastian. This time around, Arellano prevails. Garcia coming in for the first time, replacing Tina Marasigan. This is Divine Garcia.
And isa rin yan sa mga pros na meron kang malalaking first line. Nag-iiba talaga yung tira ng mga offense. Nag-iiba yung tira. Yung mga possible na pwede nilang paluin pag nakita nila na may mga malalaking blocker, hinuhulog na lang. And chances are makukuha ng teammates nila.
So, 4-0 run. Arellano manufacturing their own 4-zip run here. 11-10. Uy! Diretso sa net para kay Tuglasan.
Nabati ata yung run nila, Martin. Nabati ata.
Hindi na magbabanggit ng run.
Nabati ata. Pero again,
Unless 10-0.
babalikan natin. Galing ng timeout itong Arellano. Ano kayang sinabi ni Coach dito sa mga players na to para maibalik ulit nila yung pagiging relax nila and yung communication nila? Kasi prior to that error, ang ganda ng tinatakbo nila.
Yeah. Tira-tira with the push. Oh, that is deflected outside. Garcia nagparamdam agad, kakapasok lang. So, look at this. Divine Garcia, a key rookie for San Sebastian this year, comes in here in set 2 and contributes right away. And they're back in front. Domasig. Pinagay kay Padillon. Wala. Domasig will try. Nothing there. Padillon sends it over. Kumakulangan to Garcia again. Pinapainit niya yung kanyang first-year player. Padillon down the line. It's good. Apat na puntos na para kay Moming Padillon. This is picture perfect on that down the line hit.
Napakaganda ng palo na yun. Kung titignan mo yung buwelo niya, talagang iniliko niya yung katawan niya para iiwas sa blocker. And nailusot niya yun. And syempre, wonderful play.
Garcia, sobra yung kanyang atake. No check. So Arellano is ahead once again. Seesaw battle we're having here in the second set.
Okay na yung buena mano kanina. Medyo nanggigil lang dun sa pangalawa eh. Kasi again, nakakuha niya na yung first point. Yun, nanggigil lang ng konti.
Kailangan niyang kontrolin yung moment, yung power niya.
Yan yung excitement.
Oh. Uy, running hit. Did not drop. And Padillon again. Homing Padillon. Heating up here in the second set. And this is
14 serving.
targeting again that side. 2-point lead now for Arellano. It's their biggest of the match. Divine, nasa likod, si Tira-Tira. Padillon, again, Moming Padillon. Carrying Arellano and scoring in the second set.
And yan yung sinasabi nila eh. Habang nag-work pa yung play, huwag mo muna baguhin. I-milk mo lang ng i-milk. And in this case, pangatlong offense na nila na binigay sa kanya yung bola. And pangatlong offense na rin na kinuha niya yung puntos.
Gonzalez, better pass. Garcia, binigyan ulit. Oh, nice save by Padillon. Keeping it up, pero free ball to. Tip does not work. Padillon breaks through again. Moming Padillon with 8 points, and Arellano is first to 16. They grab the 4-point lead. Technical timeout muna tayo.
Marami sa mga student athletes ng NCAA ang tumutuloy sa mga professional basketball leagues at may mga piling atleta rin na nagiging basketball legends. Ilan sa mga past and future basketball legends ng NCAA ay sina Kaloy Loizaga, Laura Mumar at Freddie Webb na sinundan nila Atoy Ko, Philip Cesar, Vergel Meneses,
Alvin Patrimonio at
Samboy Lim. Isama nyo na rin sina Romel Aducul, Rodi Santos, Willie Miller, hanggang
The Filoel Ecoil Center, we got a Thai volleyball legend in attendance. Former guest player ni Coach Roger for San Sebastian, Jang Buali. She is here as an assistant for one of the pro teams that we have as guest in Thailand and in an international competition that we're having right now. So,
Serving for the Lady Chiefs.
that's a lot of pressure for San Sebastian. Nanonood sa inyo. Si Jang sa likod. That's Moming Padillon. Letting it go here in the second set. At Santos. Ooh, that is deflected.
Net fault by the
Pero
Lady Chiefs.
pamatay sunog yan para sa San Sebastian. They touched the net, talking about the Lady Chiefs.
And yan din naman I think yung isa sa mga cons ng isang blocking team. Kasi hindi mo may iwasan na may times talaga na madidikitan mo yung net eh. Pero ganun talaga eh.
Yun nga lang. Uy!
Service error.
Teka.
Very costly error
Oo.
para dito sa San Sebastian. Ngayon pa lang sila sumusubok makabalik ulit dito sa game natin para ma-stop yung momentum na itong Arellano. But again, error.
13 serving 13.
17-13. So Arellano able to restore order. Ow! Service error din. Yung sinagot ni Damasig.
Binalik lang.
14-17.
Now serving for the Lady Stags. Divine.
This opens the door for San Sebastian. Jump serve incoming. De Guzman. Off the block. Pau De Guzman gives them the 4-point advantage. Only a single blocker in front of her.
Ganda nung setup. May diversion play pa sila.
18-14. Ooh, faulty first ball. Pero ito si Juna Gonzalez. She catches the line on that cross-court hit.
15 serving.
Gonzalez now with 7 points. Most of them coming here in the second set. KJ will begin. Tomasig, reverse set. De Guzman catching the corner. How about Arellano's offense? Humming here in the second set. De Guzman.
Andyan yung
After
tao.
nakabati
Gusto mo
nila.
bibigyan ng short?
Nakakuha
Ayan
na
ang
nila
puta
yung
sa
rhythm.
gitna hindi naman dyan ang short. Paano may short yan? Gamit minsan ng natin, ng utak ninyo. Hindi kasi kayo nagsasalita doon sa loob, hindi maintindihan sa... Ginawa mo yung chess yung volleyball eh. Volleyball na laro natin, hindi chess. Hindi kayo mananahimik dyan.
Kung hindi matibay-tibay yung loob mo, ako, manghihina ako ng konti. Pero sanay na to mga players ng San Sebastian. Of course, that's tough love from Coach Roger para magising sila.
And again, para sa mga manonood natin dyan, yung sinabi ni Coach Roger na yun na hindi ito chess, volleyball itong laro. Ganun ka-importante kasi yung communication eh. Kailangan talaga may nagsasalita sa loob. Hindi ka pwedeng nahihiya na, hindi coach kasi nahihiya ako magsalita kasi ganito kasi. Hindi totoo yun. Sa sport na to, sa sport na volleyball, the more communication na meron kayo, mas higher yung chance na maging successful yung magiging plays na meron kayo and yung mga depensa na meron kayo.
So, San Sebastian responding after the timeout. They get the point. Oh! Combination for Arellano. Laika Tudlasan. Flying in the middle. Look at this. Two players jumping with her. It's only her third point in the match. So you talk about Arellano doing all of this with their main scorer, leading scorer, just having 3 points. Adante is back in the game. Ganda ng pasa para kay Von. Pinali kay Kat. Single coverage for Tira-Tira.
Tira-tira ka lang, bablakin ko na lang.
Oo nga, you know.
Kita mo naman yung block na yun, lagpas na yung siko sa net. Paano mo patatagusin yung bola dun?
Napakatangkad kasi. At saka yung wingspan eh. Ito ni Tira-Tira makes her a perfect middle blocker. Boom! Santos, binawian. 17-21. That's Santos. This time getting a cleaner hit.
And kung maiba-iba yan, kung medyo mahina-hina yung dibdib after nung ganung kabaon na block, eh hindi ka muna papalo, babalansa ka muna. Pero in this case, china-challenge mo ako ha. Bibigyan din kita ng isa.
Adante with a back set.
Napakaganda nung set.
Tudlasan.
Napakaganda nung basa niya na yun.
What a setup by Adante for this booming hit for Laika Tudlasan. Only one blocker assigned to her. 22-17.
But you know, Mark, I like what Coach Obet is doing right now. Pinagpapalit-palit niya yung setters niya para iba-iba yung flavors na dala nila eh. Diba? Ito si Adante, alam mo kung sino yung mga gusto niyang hinahanap eh, which is yung mga nasa labas. And yung isang setter natin ang hinahanap niya, yung mga nasa gitna and yung mga personal hulogs niya na bumibigla naman talaga dito sa San Sebastian.
Iba-iba yung discard. Uy! Discarte ng mga setter. Ramos on the serving error. 23-18. Arellano 2 points away from tying the match. It starts with the rookie, Samantha Tira-Tira. Di makulangan. Gonzalez, or KJ rather, doesn't drop. Padillon down the line again. It's been working like a charm for Moming. Set point na para sa Arellano. Wow.
And you can really feel the energy dito sa Arellano side. Na whenever they make those kinds of points, yung mga ganong klaseng points, yung hype talaga nila para sa isa't isa, ando dun. Kaya yung susunod na possession, napakataas ng energy.
Ito, di nakabawi si Marasigan. Nicely done by Padillon on the one-handed save. KJ this time, pop-up by Tira-Tira. Padillon approaches, and again, it's a down-the-line hit for Padillon. Arellano takes the set. How about this? This is out of system.
I love the improvement for this Arellano team. Ano yung mga first ball nila ngayon, naiaangat na nila. And that's the biggest change para dito sa second set natin.
We end set 2, 25-18. Tabla tayo sa laban. One set apiece. When we return, numbers and highlights coming your way.